Hello guys, welcome to the Xmandre's Corner special something Christmas, because I want to say thank you so much because we have 23,455 subscribers and every video now in our channel is very good. We have 1,000 views in the last 1,700, 1,000 here, in the other one in the mall we are 1,700, in this one 700, in the streaming 500, like that, in this 1,000, in the other 700, in the other 700. So I start to do the best thumbnail, because before it's like, allora the other thumbnail is like a training. This that you see, this is like a training. When we have 30,000 subscribers, I say to you how to do this thumbnail, because this is like a training for understand how to do the very good thumbnail. You must to train with this program. Then after you can do like this. You must to train with me like this. Before that you do this, you must to train with this program secret that still I not do the the video. If you want to understand how to do this thumbnail, you must to subscribe. When I have 30,000 subscribers, I do the training for you free. It's a free training how to do the very good thumbnail. This is my favorite YouTuber, or one of the favorite, because I have a lot of favorite YouTuber. For example, this 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐾 that now have 12 million subscribers. It's the best vlog, you see. So if you want to understand what is a YouTuber, enter and subscribe. 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐾. The other favorite is Marcus Brownlee, because yesterday this shared to me an email. A legendary guys, Xiaomi. Oh, Xiaomi shared to me if I want to become a creator there. Wow! Okay, what is Xiaomi? November 2021, the first smartphone with cameras created in collaboration with Leica. Yeah! Boy, they work with NVIDIA. You know, my first NVIDIA graphic was in 2004. I buy the first NVIDIA graphics in 2004. Wow, that computer was a legend. Poi due, Sony collaboration with Xiaomi. Use the Sony image sensor in the smartphone. Infatti here I have one. I'm very proud. Redmi Note 12. E poi they do the Microsoft collaboration, includes the integration of Microsoft software in Xiaomi Office and Host. So they say that there are 256 already authors, YouTubers there. One of my favorite for his story, because Mark Brownlee very believe in YouTube like me. He upload more than 10,000 video, because me I upload in YouTube 30,000 videos from 2005. I very believe. And so here there is. You want to start working. So manager of Xiaomi. You think that I can be? I don't know. Because here I'm a super fan of Xiaomi, of course. Allora, me I go in Cyprus. Okay, thanks to Xiaomi, I buy this one because I became a runner in Wagamama, that is a Bruce Lee idea restaurant. Because I was working in Wagamama, no? Because Bruce Lee, you know, I'm a martial artist. And me, I applied that job proprio because I am 7 rank in Jeet Kune Do. So Wagamama is an idea of Bruce Lee. Okay, so I go in that restaurant with a Xiaomi Mi 2 that is still perfect. I do also with my wife this still working good. The Xiaomi Legend, the best or nothing, Petronas, McLaren, Formula 1 team, because this is from Formula 1 team. I still waiting to do new videos, because in that period I'm still not understand what is this YouTube. I start to do the videos that period in my niche. So we explored St. Lazarus Church in that period. In that period my wife Dimple, she was more good than me doing the video. In fact, all the videos record from Dimple. Thank you so much Dimple that you come in my life. But she was from Facebook. So we entered in the St. Paul Church. E poi we go in the King Tomb in Cyprus. And we was in Cyprus. And we do our 3 years LDR, because you are asking, but you are still in LDR? No, allora we was in LDR in Cyprus. Poi we marry in Cyprus. Infatti there is also the marriage. Andiamo. Shout out also to our friend in Philippines, Mirko, Terem, Bella, that they have 163,000 subscribers. Congratulations to your success. So Xmandre Cyprus marriage, you search. Ecco qua. I re-edit this. This is the re-edit video 4 months ago. If you open here, there is already the marriage in Cyprus. So if you have the channel, I don't know, 50k subscriber. Ecco qua, this is the marriage video. So, shout out also to the Pastor Summer, that without that pastors we can have this blessing also for our channel, because now we have the niche 23,400 that we start with scratch. So when we was in Cyprus, we start to do our videos with this phone, with this video, the Samsung AS02. I do all the old videos. They still work, because when you buy a Samsung, it can work for 10 years. You never regret. So I want to with me a Samsung. In fact, I say also to the other YouTubers, okay, you have the iPhone, but if you want to be a real YouTuber, you must have almeno one Samsung, because it's like, you know, high rank. Very connected with YouTube. This is a partner with YouTube. You have all the programs that work perfectly. You can play video games, you can record video. And this is still the budget phone that without this we have no 5,000 subscribers. Allora, with this one we come from 2,000 subscribers in Cyprus and we arrive 5,000 subscribers with the AS02. I was working in that period, because me I work waiter, bartender. I go working with the Xiaomi Mi 02. I'm very proud to use this. I run every day 40 kilometers, and this can go with the hacking, because there is the hacking. It can go 50 km per hour, so it's like a real motorcycle. In fact, I have also the ABS, that the best ABS have Porsche or BMW. So these have the BMW ABS, in fact there. So these have the BMW ABS, sorry. So we start with this, because okay, if you want to see from 0 to 2000, you must to go in the old video, because I do already a video explaining how from the very schifo, cioè cheap camera that costs only 50 pesos, cioè 5 euro, 3 euro. I have a camera in past that's very cheap, so, but I arrived to this one. I arrived 5,000 subscribers. So this is with my earnings, my work in past. We are very proud to do the update with Samsung A14, and now there is the A15. This is the best for do live streaming, is very good, also video, but this is of my wife, so I never use this a lot. I use sometimes when my wife, she want to do some pictures, because this is very fashion pictures. I prefer to do this than with the other phone. Okay, with the Samsung A14. Of course, I want to have a gift, you know, if the sponsors are very generous in this period. Pero maybe not in Christmas I will have a gift. Because thanks to the sponsor, poi in 2024 we grew 6,000% and we arrived. Allora, when we have this, we was already 15k subscribers with the A14, and now there is the A15. These are super budget phone. E poi we arrive 20k. And so there is the Redmi Note 12. With this I do 800 videos. And also the AI intelligent video, because with the Redmi Note 12, 13, also the 14 Pro, you have a high rank phone. It's no more a budget. Start to be high, like 20,000, 16,000, 18,000. So with this I do 800 videos until we win the sponsor challenge that I show you, because every time you asking me, but how you arrive? Allora, there is a challenge in August. Ecco qua, the video. So, xmandredimplefamily, we win this challenge by the very nice post, the best sponsor in 2024, Deep Brain AI. So I do some video with AI, and also I do the special program that I will do the tutorial when I have 30k subscribers. So if you want to understand how to do the best thumbnail, subscribe. I win with this video. Hey, thanks to this video they interview us in America. They want to share our story in the New York Post. The story of Xmandre Dimple family friendly, that is a Italiano migrate that meet with a Filipino migrate, because we was both migrate, starting with scratch, searching a better life. Then we meet like a Cinderella, because her she was the Cinderella, she was working in Kuwait, and me I was the humble king. Okay, I clean a lot, guys. I work a lot until I win that first challenge, because the secret of Mr. Beast is this. Cioè, if you want to be a YouTuber, you must do challenge, giveaways. So, the dream is coming, they start to do giveaways. This is a giveaway. The projector that I use now. This pair of glasses. E poi the super upgrade when we win the challenge. When we win the challenge, we do the super upgrade. This is one. the super camera, the best in commerce for me. Okay, this is a 360 camera. You can see everything inside. Okay, you can see everything. See? Oh, 360. So this thanks to the sponsor Deep Brain arrive. This. Allora, because Marcella Matis TGM, she said that I must to buy the other camera. This is another legendary camera for vlogger, because before I thought that the best was the... Comunque, these are all when you have 100k subscribers like that, when you are going full time. Ecco qua. The Sony vlog camera ZV-1, that is. It's very expensive, these are very expensive. These are all in 4K stabilized. This is a camera if you want to work in the office. It's also good if you go walking, if you are a vlogger walker. Però the other camera for me better than this is this one, 𝐄𝐎𝐄 Pocket 3. You know me with the Insta360 X4, that is this in the mirror. Okay, I have the best camera in the light morning and for do special effect. But if I need to do video in the night, the best camera is 𝐄𝐎𝐄 Pocket 3. This is the best camera. If you do vlogging, it's perfect, but it do is best in the night, because the Insta360 X4 in the night is good, but there is the 𝐄𝐎𝐄 that is better. So this is all the camera. Hey, 3 years ago, because I believe that this unboxing work, I very trust, I do the best unboxing I start to do, so I do this one. So if you want to start today to be a vlogger, okay, I say to you, you can have a budget phone, you can buy a Samsung budget, like the AS, they have the A, I don't know what is the number now, A40, A15 are perfect. And poi you can buy this one, that is a telephoto for smartphone lens kit. I use a lot this for arrive to, with this I arrive 7k subscriber. So with this 5,000, with this 7k subscriber, with this 15k, with this 20k with the Redmi Note, and with this how much subscriber we can arrive? Insta360 X4. So if you want to know, subscribe today. So thank you so much for watching. Ciao.